SensorData-Burster is a manufacturer of strain gauge-based load cells and torque sensors. We get involved in applications from single-axis load or single-axis torque all the way up to 6-axis moment overload measurements. We are involved in not only the manufacture of the load cell and the torque sensor, but we get involved in the full integration of the full measurement chain. From sensor to data acquisition, we're able to accommodate all of the facets in between. We work with quite a few customers. Our industries range from automotive to aerospace, a lot of agriculture and medical, some military, and some machine integrators that are building machines to help in assembly processes, inline validation, make sure that the customer gets the part that they're supposed to get and that's going to operate the way it's supposed to operate when they get it. We get involved in a lot of different applications. On the torque side, we get involved in applications that are very, very small, like measuring actuator torque on a insulin pump down at 0.02 Newton meter. And we've gotten into some very large applications for off-highway. We're measuring 1.2 million inch-pounds of torque. Some of our applications spin at very high RPM, while some of them spin at very low. We had an application for a satellite that we were spinning at less than rotation per day. And we've had applications where we've spun at 60,000 RPMs for aerospace pumps. So we do quite a bit on that torque side. For force measurements, we get into quite a bit of areas as well. On many of the applications, it's pretty standard force, and it can range anywhere from a couple of ounces up to 1 million pounds of force. Those are the ranges we've done in shop. What gets more exciting with the force measurement is that we get into these multi-axis force measurements. Most of the time, these types of applications come from the tire industry. We do a lot of tire testing. There's a fair chance that the tires that are on the vehicle you're driving were likely built with the SensorData load cell. We have a lot of customers that keep coming back to us, and they come back to us for a couple simple reasons. The primary one being that we are not a catalog company. We do have an extensive product library, don't get me wrong. However, we always try to start by understanding what it is that the customer's trying to solve. You have a measurement that you need to make. We want to understand what you're trying to measure so that we can help you to decide what sensor would best suit that application. Another reason that a lot of customers continue to come back to us is because they know that as we learn new things and as things change in the industry, speed requirements get faster, load levels get higher, overload protection is more of a concern, we will continue to evolve our product. We don't have anything on our product list that is a stagnant product that is just order it as you see it, and that's what you're going to get. If there's an improvement that can be made, we're actively trying to make it. There are a couple of different technologies that are exclusive to SensorData-Burster. One of those is our dual range capability, and the other one is our high overload capability. Both of these are exclusive to SensorData. One of the best reasons to do business with SensorData-Burster is that, being that we're not a catalog-only company, we really are willing to custom make a sensor tailored specifically to your application. We never want our customers to feel like they have to select a sensor out of our product catalog and make it fit in their application. We would rather you tell us what your application is, what you need to see from your application, and we'll custom design one for you.